over here as well. Right, so we are about heading to the funeral grounds. Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for visiting my channel, and if this is the first time here, I am Prima Gabi, and this is a PG Lifestyle. We do travel and events related content, and as you're watching, this is the funeral rite, the 1 week observation of the Queen Mother of the Ashanti Kingdom. And so the evening before the main day for the 1 week observation, the elders and people, that's the royals from the family, actually gathered in Nadum in Kumasi before they head to Menshia, that's the next day before the rite is being held. And so that is what you're watching currently, and so we will switch to the next day and give you all the insights of what happened at the Menshia Palace for the Queen Mother. Please remember to subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think about the video, and also share to someone also. And let's keep the vibe rolling. Let's do this and enjoy the video. So apparently, we are here. This road is closed. The cars coming can rather come, but then if you're going, you can't. And which is saying there are these cars, the white ones. I mean, they are actually taking participants to the funeral grounds. So we are waiting for one of them, so we actually go along to the funeral grounds. I have with me with some other people over here as well. Right, so we are about heading to the funeral grounds. Let's do this. So we are here now at the funeral ground, just highlighted, and that is where the funeral grounds is ongoing, or where the funeral is going. So we're heading there. we're almost at the funeral grounds and what is ongoing currently. This is the funeral grounds and the outskirts. Apparently we'll be heading straight over there. So if you see that there are some umbrella over there, that is where Otufo Osejutu II is seated together with other chiefs, Ghanaian, right here in the Ashanti region and across Ghana as well. So pretty soon we'll be going there and also find out how the place looks like. This is a beach lifestyle. So you should be reminded earlier we saw buses that were trooping people in. We were told that they were actually buses from the chief, kind courtesy, the Ashanti chief. We do have some stakeholders over here, that's traders, also trading as well. Talk over the Ashanti products, also other products as well. So you can get all those stuff over here as well. Right, so it's over, but I have to take you guys through to see what happened over here, and then you will see, because we were not here early, we had to attend to other matters. So this was the funeral ground. That's the one over there was the high table where they had top profile stock of the chief of staff as well as other government officials mounting that stage. So you can see that not long ago the king Otumfuose the second just left the funeral grounds, and this is the outcome right here. So we'll still be going through and just give you the shots right here in the Menchia Palace. Asantehemaa and Akunadu Yadom II has been led. So that is one big observation. Alright, so guys, that's about it right here in the Menchia Palace, and so we'll be back in September. That is when the funeral, the main one, that's the Dotier, will take place. So we'll be back to bring you all the coverage inside. That's from the start to the finish. And so I'm Prima Gabi. Kindly remember to subscribe, leave a comment, and share to someone. So until the next one, it's bye for now. See ya.